Hey, in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to build an appointment booking website for any niche with WordPress. I'm going to use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, and MeetingHive, a lightweight yet functional WordPress theme that has all the required features for building an appointment booking platform, like user registration, service listings, search filters, and booking system, along with the payment features like commissions and payouts. You'll be able to manage your own service categories and listings with category-specific custom fields and search filters. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about MeetingHive, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. Okay, so let's start with the theme installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard. First of all, you need to install the MeetingHive theme. Go to the Appearance/Themes page and click Add New. Now click on the Upload Theme button, select the theme zip file to upload and proceed by installing the theme. Once it's installed, click on the Activate link. Now there's a suggestion to install the recommended plugins, including HivePress, the plugin that powers the theme's marketplace and booking features. Proceed by clicking the recommended plugins link and then start the installation. Now simply click the return link and activate them. That's it. After installing the MeetingHive theme and the required plugins, you can start building your appointment booking website. There are new menu items in the WordPress dashboard where you can adjust the HivePress settings, manage categories, listings, bookings, and so on. We recommend importing the MeetingHive demo content to start with existing layouts and get a better understanding of how everything works. To do this, navigate to the Plugins/Add New section to install the Demo Import plugin. Type one-click Demo Import in the search field to find the plugin, then install it and proceed by activating it. Now go to the Appearance/Import Demo Data page and simply click on the Import button. After the import is successfully finished, you should get the same content and layout as on the MeetingHive demo. Let's take a look. As you can see, the demo content has been successfully imported. Now, let's check one of the service categories. For example, tutoring. Here, you can see different search filters that allow users to narrow down their search. If you click on a listing, you can easily view all the details, contact the expert, or check the available time slots and book an appointment. Now you can start editing the imported pages, go through all the available settings, and finally monetize your website in a few different ways. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can follow the link in the description to learn more about MeetingHive. Have a great day.